Hi guys, today I'm going to do a quick comparison and a bit of a review on these two mechanical Clicky keyboards. First we take a look at this one, the Tesoro Durandal Ultimate. This one represents the modern day Sherry MX Blue Switch. As you can see here. The Sherry MX Blue Switch are known to be one of the best selling mechanical switch in the market today. Sherry MX has distributed their switches to many brands. So pretty much if people think of mechanical switch, they will think of Blue Switch due to its distinctive clicking and activation sounds like this. While if you really likes keyboard and you do some research, you might found yourself liking one of these, the IBM Model M, the original one. The IBM Model M has been first produced since 1984. It has the distinctive mechanical buckling spring. Well, they hold their license to IBM and Lexmark, while later on they sold it to Unicom. So pretty much these days you can't find these keyboards anymore, except you're buying it from Unicom, which is the only dealer available. So both have tactile clicky feeling, as you can see here. So first I'm going to do the sound testing. This one, the Sherry MX Blue, well, I have to inform that different types and different material used to produce these keycaps can result in different kind of noise it made. Some may be ABS plastic or some other materials which I couldn't think of. The other one, the IBM Model M, this one, buckling spring. Okay, let's compare two of them. The feeling are similar but totally different. Okay, I don't know how to say this. It both has similar tactile feeling, but in order to activate it, it's totally different. This one you'll need 50 grams of activation force, and it gives more precise and clear activation feeling. Click here. This one you'll need around 70 to 80 grams of activation force. It gives less clear activation feeling here, but it's like more like springy feeling. Well, you'll never find this feeling on other keyboards, so it's impossible to imagine. Well, it's hard to get your hand on one of these as well these days because it's not being produced anymore. I like to inform that the Unicom buckling spring and IBM buckling spring feels the same but sounds a bit different because IBM uses very thick plate under the keyboard holding the rivets and all the PCBs together. Well, if you're the typer type, you would like the IBM Model M more. I've been looking for this exact keyboard for years, and I have to spend many days refurbishing it to make it in this condition. While the gamers, you would prefer the Sherry MX Blue because it's not too stiff here. It's soft and it's easy to use. This one is less user friendly. It's more like the old typewriter style. Also, the condition. If you're looking for the IBM Model M, you wouldn't be able to find it in nice condition because it's like, let's say, around 30 years old. The exact one which I got here has been destroyed or left in dark room for like decades, of course. So the wires is fucked up. I need to replace the wires. I use the original PS2 wire from other keyboard, which I don't use the shitty one. The original IBM Model M has ground wire within its PS2 cable as well, but my other keyboard doesn't, so I have to like solder it separately and rewire everything. So here, I still have the PS2 heads, but I have to stick these ground cable here in the back of my case, just preventing short circuit. It also lacks the function of Windows key, so you're gonna need to use the Control and ESC instead, like this one. Still works though, but I still miss the media key like function, volume up, volume down from my new keyboard. So I guess I'm keeping both.